This amazing post-industrial gem located in the Catskills, New York is a product of ModalART cargo containers, a leading supplier of new and used storage containers across the United States. Constructed from a 45-foot container joined with a 20-foot container, expertly modified at the factory, with doors and window openings carefully cut out and primed with high-quality paint to prevent rusting. Upon arrival at the site, the containers were skillfully hoisted onto a concrete strip base, with their roof subsequently removed to facilitate the creation of a stunning vaulted roof ceiling. An additional lean-to roof was constructed above the containers, featuring a strip of clerestory windows to enhance natural lighting and ventilation. The main entrance, located within the 20-foot container, opens into a cozy heated mudroom with ample storage space. From there, a glass door leads into an open-plan living space featuring 9.5-foot high ceilings and large windows that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding natural beauty. The interior is tastefully decorated with carefully selected furnishings that complement the warm wooden floors and provide a welcoming ambience. The fully fitted galley kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and storage cabinets, plus shelves, as well as under-the-counter washer and dryer, making this kitchen both functional and efficient. Next to the kitchen are two indoor dining options, a breakfast nook with two bar seats overlooking the outdoors, plus a space-saving Murphy table that easily unfolds to sit for guests. The bathroom, surprisingly roomy for a container home. It includes a heated floor. The master bedroom is stylish, furnished with a needle queen-sized mattress that fills the lovely West Elm bed frame, accommodating two guests in comfort. This mid-century styled room also features a board sofa bed that sleeps two, a 5-inch plasma TV, and a sound bar that can be paired with the cell phones. Sliding glass doors lead onto a large wooden deck that extends the indoor space to the great outdoors. The deck also, on the deck there is an additional outdoor dining space, a hammock, and a propane grill, as well as a refreshing outdoor shower in the summer. The exterior of the container home is striking, with the grooves of the raw shipping container walls visible throughout, adding to the industrial charm of the design. The cabin also features a large wooden deck that extends the indoor space to the outdoors. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from all over the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.